Make luxury a standard while camping or traveling in the new 2018 RiverStone 39FK. Find yours today at RV World. This model is a double-axle fifth wheel with 5 slide-outs, automatic 6-point hydraulic leveling system, Max graphics package with front and rear painted fiberglass caps, and Dexter EZ Flex suspension with 8,000-pound axles. Outside are dual entry doors with aluminum steps, roof ladder, full docking station, pass-through basement storage, and central vacuum system. On the inside is an open floor plan with Beau Flor wood plank vinyl flooring, Shaw stain-resistant carpet, and day-night roller shades throughout. In front of the 60-inch LED TV entertainment center are 2 trifold hide-a-bed sofas and a third sofa with theater-style seating. The kitchen features Corian solid surface countertops, residential soft close drawers, and stainless steel appliances including dishwasher, induction instant heat cooktop, French door refrigerator, and convection microwave. In the bathroom is a roomy shower with seat and skylight, linen closet, foot flush toilet, and vanity sink with backsplash and mirrored cabinet. The master bedroom offers a king bed with plush Serta Bellagio mattress and padded headboard, overhead storage, LED TV mounted over a fireplace cabinet, spacious wardrobe, and an optional splendid Astral stackable washer and dryer. Visit us at RV World and you'll find some of the most popular RV brands at the nation's lowest prices. Find us online at rvworldmi.com or give us a call at 616-965-2250 and let our friendly salespeople help you find the perfect RV.